welcome back. So how's your work-life balance these days? You know, work-life balance has been climbing higher and higher on employees' needs and wants lists since the pandemic. In fact, more workers said they're attracted to their current role for the work-life balance than the salary.
I did not know that.
Ask 10 people how they feel about their professional lives, and statistically speaking, only 3 will tell you that they have fulfilling jobs that are engaging and challenging and personally rewarding.
Are you kidding me?
According to a recent Gallup poll, more than 60% of American workers are either not engaged or actively disengaged. That means 7 out of 10 employees are either coasting or working against organizational growth. And yet, the average person will spend about 90,000 hours at work over the course of their lifetime. It's about a third of our lives.
Wait, what?
I know, right? But think about it. The idea of work-life balance is a little bit of a paper tiger. It's like the mechanical rabbit at the racetrack. The dogs never catch it. The reality is that work is not separate from life. It's a part of life, and it can be meaningful and rewarding, or it can be distracting and disruptive. But trying to compartmentalize work from life and balance them as contrasting forces is really an exercise in futility. So forget about work-life balance. Find your Ikigai instead.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Ikigai.
What is that?
Ikigai is a Japanese concept that roughly translates to a reason for living. It's about finding what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can get paid to do. And trust me, that's way more fulfilling than just trying to balance work with life.
Sounds amazing.
How would I do that?
Okay, so grab a pen and paper, or you can download and print this worksheet from my blog post. Write down what it is you love to do. What are you great at? What does the world need? And what can you get paid to do? And figure out where those overlap. Then what? Well, try things out. Take that pottery class. Offer tutoring lessons. Volunteer. The key is to experiment, because every time you try something new, you could learn more about what it is you enjoy and what aligns with your values.
Oh my God, that makes so much sense.
The amazing thing about finding your Ikigai is that it's ever evolving. As you explore new things, you might develop new skills or uncover new passions, or even discover new perspectives about your current values and beliefs. And that is so okay, because that is called growth. So what's one thing you're going to try to discover your Ikigai? Add a comment below, because I would love to hear what gets you fired up. And hit that like button if you enjoyed this. Send a little love my way.